We want you to drive an Audi because we're in the Audi business, but we're also in the business of taking care of people. So if you have a Toyota, a Honda, or anything else, we want you to bring it to us, and we'll take care of you like you bought a brand new Audi. Our service technicians are qualified to perform maintenance and repairs on all vehicle makes and models, not just Audi. We strive to be the local all-encompassing service center for every vehicle and every household in our community. We believe that every guest, regardless of their vehicle, should receive a luxury service experience. Our More Than service is centered around communication. Our guests receive text messages and videos with the status of their vehicle service and the ability to approve and decline work and also pay with mobile pay. No matter where you reside, whether in Solano or Napa County, our service team is eager to work on your vehicle, regardless of the make. We provide a comfortable environment for you to wait, and the maintenance is performed on your vehicle.